Hello and welcome to this presentation of Mobius and Mobius Institute. My name is Jason Tranter, the founder of Mobius, and I really appreciate you taking the time to look at this presentation and learn more about our products and services. Mobius offers vibration training courses and products. We offer assistance tools for the vibration analyst to make it easier to detect faults and understand what's going on. And we offer ISO and ASNT certification. Plus, we offer shaft alignment training courses and condition monitoring courses, awareness day courses, and even more. We have offices in Australia and the United States and sales offices all over the world. Plus, we have training centres in over 30 countries. And throughout those countries, the training courses and exams have been translated to currently 8 different languages. So wherever you are in the world, there should be a vibration training course available from a Mobius Institute certified training partner somewhere nearby. Let's just talk briefly about our vibration training and certification. First thing, we have I Learn Vibration. I Learn Vibration has been used by thousands of people, literally thousands of people all over the world. We have customers in over 90 countries around the world using I Learn Vibration. I Learn Vibration is a self-paced training course. You install it on your computer, or you can access it via a website, or even put it into your own corporate learning management system. So you've got all the tracking and so on built right into that system. I Learn Vibration takes you step by step from the most basic concepts of maintenance practices and vibration and condition monitoring all the way through to much more advanced topics. You're taken step by step with just a little bit of text. It's all narrated, so read out to you. There are simulators you get to play with, animations and quizzes so that you can just test whether you're understanding what we're going through. So I Learn Vibration is used by a lot of people, by the biggest companies you've heard of and the smallest consulting companies. But if you'd like some assistance in your learning, we do distance learning courses where you use I Learn Vibration at your own pace, but you can get assistance from one of our instructors and then optionally take an exam afterwards. But better yet, you can come along to our training classes. In fact, we can come to you and hold the training class at your site. So you can hold the training class at your site that follows the Category 1, Category 2 or Category 3, like Level 1, 2 and 3. Or you can come to one of our public courses that we hold all over the world all the time and go through the course and go through the exam. And in that instance, we use our special professionally developed slides, our 3D animations and our vibration simulators. These simulators really set us apart. We're the only ones that have these simulators. Only Mobius Institute courses have these special simulators. They help explain everything. The great thing about the simulators is that instead of reading some text and having an instructor try to explain what an FFT is or why bearings vibrate the way they do, instead you get to see it on the screen with this software simulator. A few clicks of the mouse and you'll see why bearings vibrate, how things resonate. It makes things so much easier to understand. The great thing about using this in our courses, you see people all the time go through these aha moments. It's like, now I understand. They're really great and we explain them elsewhere on our website. So we do the classroom courses and you can take the exam afterwards if you like. We also have 3 additional products to help you master vibration analysis in your workplace. The first one's called the Reference Center, and it gives you a quick way to look up the different types of faults and different sorts of symptoms. And if you own I Learn Vibration, it links right into the training as well. The Pro Pack, or the professional module, gives you a live case history module. So imagine you can click on the machine and actually see and hear the real vibration that came from that machine. You can analyze it on the screen or even play it into your analyzer and learn more that way. There's also a virtual test rig where, again, what you're seeing on the screen and hearing and analysing is real data from a fault demonstrator. Then there's a signal generator and a machine fault simulator. Lots of cool things to help you understand vibration analysis. And finally, there's the interpreter product. You have to see interpreter to believe it. Imagine you're doing your vibration analysis and there you are analysing a spectrum with the software that came with your analyzer. No matter what brand of analyzer it is, when you're analysing this spectrum and you're looking at all these peaks and wondering, what does that mean? You know what you do? You drag the little hand that's sitting, the little icon that's sitting in the system tray, you drag it up and you drop it on the spectrum. You don't have to export the spectrum or do screen captures or anything weird. You just drag the hand, drop it on the spectrum, and bingo, interpreter looks at the actual pixels on the screen. It finds the spectrum. You just have to tell it once what colour spectrum is. That's easy. It sees all of the peaks and it actually puts little markers on the peaks, even while you're still in the software that came with your analyzer. Then you got this little button you can scroll through. It shows you all the patterns and then gives you explanations. It might see one and say, hey, this could be looseness, this could be a bearing fault, this could be misalignment, whatever. And then if you want to learn more, it has little drop-down windows that explain it. And if you own iLearn Vibration, you press a button and zippo, iLearn Vibration opens up and it explains looseness or bearing faults. So you know, well, is that really what I've got and how do I verify it and so on. So Interpreter's a great product. It's inexpensive, very easy to use, and it really can help you master vibration analysis and find faults that you might have missed otherwise. And we also have the iLearn alignment product. Just like iLearn Vibration, you can install it on your PC. You can access it via a website. We can give you access to a website where you can use it there instead. And you can install it on your corporate learning management system. One of the great things about iLearn Alignment is that we've developed lots and lots of these 3D animations. This one's just demonstrating laser alignment, but we can demonstrate soft foot checks, how all the laser alignment systems work, how dial indicators work, rim and face dial, reverse dial. Seeing it makes it so much easier to understand. When you can see it, you can see the movement, you can see how the tests are run. It makes it much easier to understand than just some text. But there's quizzes, it's self-paced, it's narrated, it's very easy to use. Anyway, look, I could talk forever about our company, the great people who work in it, our great instructors all around the world, and our products, but I won't take up too much more of your time. I thank you very much for viewing this presentation. If you have any questions whatsoever, please send us an email or call us and we'll be happy to demonstrate any of the products or answer any of your questions. Thanks very much for your time.